Have you ever felt like your business is being held back by its internet connection?
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe you're worried about security threats, but you
Yeah.
don't even know where to start.
Yeah.
Well, today we're diving into a workshop happening in New Zealand
Okay.
that might just have the answers you are looking for.
It's a fascinating event hosted by DrayTek,
Okay.
a company known for their top-notch networking hardware in partnership with their local distributor, SnapperNet.
Okay.
What's really interesting is that this workshop is designed for a wide range of people,
Oh, okay.
from seasoned IT professionals
Right.
to those who are just starting to explore the world of networking.
That's great because I think a lot of us, myself included,
Yeah.
hear networking workshop and assume it's way over our heads.
Right.
But this one takes place on March 4th and 5th, 2025.
Okay.
And you can choose to attend both days
Right.
or pick a single day's module that fits your needs.
I see.
Day one focuses on multi-WAN solutions. Now, I know we've all experienced the frustration of the internet going down at the worst possible moment.
Yes.
Can you explain what a multi-WAN setup actually does?
Sure.
And why it's becoming so important for businesses today?
Absolutely. Think about it this way. You're running a business that relies on cloud-based applications, video conferencing,
Right.
or even just processing online transactions.
Yeah.
Any interruption in your internet connection can bring everything to a screeching halt.
Oh, yeah.
A multi-WAN solution essentially provides redundancy.
Okay.
It's like having a backup generator for your internet.
I see.
If your primary connection fails, the system automatically switches over to a secondary connection,
Yeah.
maybe a 5G router,
Right.
ensuring that you stay online.
So no more frantic calls to the internet provider when the Wi-Fi goes down.
Exactly. And
Okay.
beyond just preventing downtime,
Yeah.
multi-WAN solutions, particularly those utilizing 5G routers, can offer significantly faster speeds and more efficient bandwidth usage
Okay.
through a technique called load balancing.
Load balancing.
Essentially, traffic is distributed across multiple connections,
Gotcha.
optimizing performance for demanding applications.
Okay, so we're talking about faster, more reliable internet.
Yeah.
But day one also covers something called VLANs.
Right.
I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure what that means.
VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network.
Okay.
Imagine your office network is like a house.
Mm-hmm.
VLANs allow you to create separate virtual rooms within that house,
Okay.
each with its own set of rules and access privileges.
I see.
You might have one VLAN for your employees, giving them access to sensitive company data,
Right.
and another VLAN for guests,
Gotcha.
allowing them internet access, but restricting access to internal resources.
So it's like having separate Wi-Fi networks, but with an extra layer of security and control?
Precisely. VLANs are crucial for businesses that handle sensitive data, ensuring that information is compartmentalized and protected from unauthorized access.
Yeah.
And what's great about this workshop is that they don't just talk about these concepts. You actually get hands-on experience,
Oh,
configuring multi-WAN setups and VLANs yourself.
that's fantastic. There's nothing quite like learning by doing,
Right.
especially when it comes to something as potentially complex as networking.
Absolutely. And speaking of security, that leads us to day two.
So day two of the workshop dives into firewall and security, and they specifically highlight the Vigor 3912 series router.
Right.
I think a lot of us have that one router we bought years ago
Yeah.
and just hope it's doing its job.
Right.
What makes this particular router stand out
Well,
when it comes to keeping a business network safe?
that's a great point.
Yeah.
Many people underestimate the importance of a robust firewall in today's world with cyber attacks becoming increasingly sophisticated.
Right.
The Vigor 3912 offers a much higher level of protection
Fun fact.
than your average home router.
Right.
Think of it as the difference between having a basic padlock
Okay.
and a high security vault protecting your valuable data.
Gotcha.
It acts as a shield against a whole range of threats, including things like denial of service attacks,
Right.
which can cripple your network,
Yeah.
or phishing attempts aimed at stealing sensitive information.
So it's not just about keeping the casual hacker out.
Yeah,
It's about protecting against organized attacks as well.
exactly.
Okay.
The Vigor 3912 is designed with business-grade security in mind.
Right.
And with the rise of remote work and cloud computing,
Yeah.
having a strong firewall is more critical than ever before. This router helps ensure that your data is secure,
Okay.
no matter where your employees are accessing it from.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Especially with so many people working from home these days.
Right.
So we've got our super fat, super secure network set up.
Okay.
What's next?
Well, that's where the afternoon session of day 2 comes in. Network management using DrayTek's VigorACS 3 platform.
VigorACS 3, okay.
You can think of VigorACS 3 as mission control for your entire network.
Okay.
Imagine being able to monitor all your DrayTek devices across multiple locations from a single centralized dashboard.
That sounds incredibly convenient.
It is.
No more running around to each individual site to troubleshoot problems.
Exactly.
Yeah.
With VigorACS 3, you can remotely troubleshoot issues.
Oh, wow.
Push firmware updates to all your devices simultaneously.
Okay.
And even manage security policies from anywhere in the world.
Wow.
It's a powerful tool that can save businesses a lot of time and headaches.
I can see how that would be a game changer for businesses.
Absolutely.
With multiple locations or a distributed workforce.
Yeah.
It's like having an all-seeing eye on your network.
Right.
But this all sounds pretty advanced. Is this workshop really suitable for someone who's not a tech expert?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
While some participants may be seasoned IT professionals, this workshop is designed to be accessible to anyone with an interest in networking.
Okay.
Regardless of their technical background.
Gotcha.
The hands-on approach allows participants to learn at their own pace. And the instructors are there to provide guidance and support every step of the way.
That's really encouraging to hear.
Yeah.
And let's be honest, the cost of attending is remarkably reasonable.
It is.
Especially when you consider what you're getting.
It really is a great value.
Yeah.
$400 for both days.
Okay.
Or $250 for a single day.
Right.
It's quite affordable for a workshop of this caliber.
Yeah.
And here's the kicker.
Okay.
You get a credit note.
What?
For the same amount you spend on registration.
Oh, wow.
To use toward future DrayTek purchases.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So not only are you learning valuable skills,
Right.
but you're essentially getting a discount on top-of-the-line networking equipment.
Exactly.
It's a win-win situation.
It is.
But I think what our listeners really want to know is, what's the big takeaway here?
Sure.
What's the one thing they should be thinking about after listening to this deep dive?
I think the biggest takeaway is that this workshop empowers you to take control of your network.
Right.
It's not just about learning theory. It's about gaining the practical skills and knowledge to actually implement these solutions in your own business or work environment.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
We live in a digital age where a reliable and secure network is essential for success. This workshop provides the tools and knowledge to not only solve existing problems, but also to anticipate and address future challenges as technology continues to evolve.
So even if you're not currently experiencing network issues, attending this workshop could be seen as a proactive investment in your future, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's about staying ahead of the curve. Think about how rapidly technology has changed in just the past few years.
Oh, yeah.
This workshop can help you future-proof your business.
By equipping you with the skills to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of network technology.
I think for a lot of people, myself included,
Yeah.
networking can feel intimidating.
It can.
It's one of those things we kind of take for granted until something goes wrong.
Yeah.
But this workshop seems to be breaking down those barriers, making these concepts and tools accessible to a wider audience.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
It's about demystifying networking and empowering individuals to take charge of their own digital security and performance. You don't have to be a tech expert to benefit from this workshop.
Okay.
If you're curious, eager to learn, and ready to invest in your future, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss.
So whether you're a seasoned IT professional looking to expand your skill set, or a small business owner wanting to ensure your network can handle the demands of a growing business, there's something here for everyone.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
It's an investment in yourself, your business, and your peace of mind.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
But before we wrap up, I want to leave our listener with a final thought.
Okay.
Something to really ponder as they consider attending this workshop.
What if you could walk away from this workshop with the confidence to handle any network challenge that comes your way?
Right.
What if you could sleep soundly, knowing your data is secure and your business is running smoothly?
Yeah.
This workshop gives you the knowledge and tools to make that a reality.
That's a powerful image.
It is.
It's not just about attending a workshop. It's about gaining peace of mind and control in a world that can feel increasingly chaotic and unpredictable.
Absolutely.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Dive in and discover the world of high-performance networking.
That's right.
We'll include links in the show notes where you can learn more about the workshop and DrayTek products.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.